There is a great power within us, within all of us. A power that all great historical and present thinkers, philosophers, and high achievers have agreed to be a universal truth. All these great minds have discovered that this power is the secret to achieving absolutely anything in this world, whether it be success, wealth, happiness, love, health, or fulfillment. This great power is the power of our thoughts. The very thoughts running through your mind can help you manifest the life of your dreams or draw you closer to your greatest fears. But most people don't realize the inherent power of their thoughts. We go about our lives almost on autopilot, letting our minds run automatic thought processes that are filled with the same repetitive ideas and deeply embedded beliefs that we may not even be aware of. What most of us don't realize is that whatever it is that we think about or focus on consistently, we subconsciously move towards it. The biggest scientific evidence that our thoughts indeed create our reality is the placebo effect. In medical terms, a placebo is a substance or any kind of treatment that looks just like a regular treatment or medicine, but is not. It's actually an inactive look-alike treatment or substance. This means it's not a medicine at all. Most of the time, it is just a sugar pill. But when this inactive substance or treatment is given to a person suffering from an illness, against all odds, the patient is mysteriously cured. This is because the patient wasn't aware that all he was given was an inactive sugar pill, and he truly believed that the medicine would cure him. That belief literally caused real biological changes in the body, allowing it to heal itself. The placebo effect is solid proof that our thoughts and beliefs can actually affect our reality. So it is really important that we ask ourselves, what is it that we think about most of the time? It is usually problems. Most people wake up in the morning and, like a broken record, start thinking about all the problems they must face that day. They think about their problems while traveling to work. They think about their problems all day long, and they think about their problems as they fall asleep. They wake up the next day and the cycle of thought repeats. The thing is, most of the time we are not aware that these thoughts are going through our minds. These are unconscious thought patterns that our subconscious minds run on auto repeat for days, months, or even years. If you really pay attention, you will notice that 90% of your thoughts today are the same as yesterday, and the day before that, and the day before that. And it goes without saying that if you're thinking the same thoughts, you are making the same choices, reproducing the same behaviors, and attracting the same experiences. So then, if you want to change your experiences, the most rational thing to do is to change your thoughts. This is definitely not as easy as it sounds, because our subconscious minds are habituated to running these negative thought patterns. It is almost like trying to write with your left hand when all your life you've been writing with your right hand. But it can happen with conscious repetition. Try this just for 3 weeks. The moment you wake up in the morning, consciously steer your thoughts. Instead of thinking about your problems, express gratitude for all the good things in your life, even if it is the smallest of things. No matter how bad someone's life may be, there is always something to be grateful for. You can express gratitude for your hands, your eyes, your ability to hear, your ability to smell, the roof over your head, or even the fact that you are able to experience this beautiful life as a human. Praise yourself for all that you've achieved in your life. Praise yourself for how far you've come. By the end of the 3rd week, I promise you will feel like a new person. You will begin to notice that things are starting to shift both inside and around you. You will see that everything is magically starting to work in your favor. You see, your thoughts have the power to create any kind of life you want. Over 2000 years ago, the Buddha said, "What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create." The power of creation is within you. The moment you change how you think about yourself and your circumstances, both you and those circumstances will begin to change. You can let your thoughts carry you through the same loop of experiences you've had all your life, or you can take control of these thoughts to meet the best version of yourself, to transcend into your highest state. You create your world thought by thought. You can transform your world by transforming your internal state with the divine power of your thoughts. Acknowledge this power within you, because the moment we embrace this, everything will start changing rapidly.